Welcome. If you love capturing your favorite gaming moments or hilarious conversations with friends, you'll want to make sure Discord can record your voice in clips. Today, I'm going to walk you through the quick and easy steps to enable this feature, so you never miss a memorable moment again. First things first, open up your Discord app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look down at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you straight into your user settings. Inside the settings menu, you'll notice a list of options. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Clips. Tap on Clips to open up the settings specifically for this feature. This is where all the magic happens for capturing and customizing your in-app recordings. Now here's the most important part. Look for the option that says Allow my voice to be recorded in clips. By default, this might be turned off for privacy reasons. To enable it, simply tap the toggle switch so that it turns on. Once you've done this, Discord will be able to include your voice whenever you create a new clip. That's it. You're all set. From now on, whenever you create a clip in Discord, your voice will be included, making your highlights more personal and fun to share. Remember, you can always come back to this setting and turn it off if you change your mind or want a bit more privacy. So, whether you're celebrating a big win, sharing a funny moment, or just saving memories with friends, enabling voice recording in clips makes your Discord experience even better. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy clipping.